In a world filled with corruption and impurity, it is no easy task to maintain a sense of purity. However, Titus 1 verse 15 offers a profound insight into the power of perceiving purity amidst contamination. This scripture encourages believers to look beyond the surface and see the true essence of purity, even in a world that has been tainted. This article aims to unravel the profound implications of Titus 1 verse 15 and explore the challenges and rewards of maintaining a pure perspective in a contaminated world. Unveiling the depth of Titus 1 verse 15. Titus 1 verse 15 states, "To the pure, all things are pure, but to those who are corrupted and do not believe, nothing is pure. In fact, both their minds and consciences are corrupted." At first glance, this verse may seem perplexing, as it suggests that one's perception of purity depends on their own state of being. However, upon closer examination, it becomes clear that this verse holds a deeper meaning, emphasizing the importance of personal purity in perceiving purity in the world around us. Seeing purity as an uphill battle. Living in a contaminated world presents numerous challenges when it comes to maintaining a pure perspective. The influences of society, the media, and personal experiences can often cloud our judgment and skew our perception of what is truly pure. The constant exposure to immorality and impurity can make it challenging to discern and appreciate purity when we encounter it. However, Titus 1 verse 15 reminds us that despite these obstacles, it is crucial to strive for personal purity in order to see and appreciate purity in the world around us. The rewards of perceiving purity. While perceiving purity in a contaminated world may be an uphill battle, the rewards that come with it are immeasurable. Seeing purity in the midst of corruption allows us to experience a sense of hope, inspiration, and beauty that would otherwise go unnoticed. It enables us to find solace in the midst of chaos, to focus on the good, and to seek out the virtuous in every situation. Titus 1 verse 15 teaches us that pure individuals possess a unique ability to see beyond the surface and tap into the inherent goodness that exists even in the most contaminated environments. In a world that often seems consumed by impurity, Titus 1 verse 15 serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of maintaining personal purity in order to perceive purity in the world around us. While the journey towards perceiving purity may be challenging, the rewards far outweigh the struggles. By striving for purity, we open ourselves up to a world of hope, inspiration, and beauty that would otherwise remain hidden. Let us remember the profound implications of Titus 1 verse 15 and work towards cultivating personal purity in a world that desperately needs it. Like and subscribe for more content or visit our channel. Thank you.